We were recipients of the award for 2 lighthouse factories, one in Shanghai and one in Penang. And one of the areas, large language models about how we can reduce the number of failures and see where the red lines are, particularly in Penang. And one of the things that we're seeing is with AI, how we can train the workforce and make sure that we're developing the workforce with these new skills, because the workforce is going to have to learn and develop. So having real skills matrices, understanding what are our skills today and what do they need for the future is one of our big areas. With Singapore, we have a world-class factory where we're working with cobots and digital twins and working with talent development with the Singapore government in. Last example, in our lighthouse in Shanghai, where we produce our gas chromatographs, which are cornerstone of the analytical lab. We can have 1,000 customizations on these systems. You can imagine the complexity with that. AI has helped us to reduce the time from 8 days to 2 days in designing the systems and getting them up and running, doubling the output. And I think it also creates a learning opportunity in the factory as well. We're making it easier for workers to create new products. But it really brings us closer to the customer.
Yes.
Beforehand, sustainability and productivity were seen as maybe different things. AI is allowing those to merge in terms of our sustainability goals and productivity. When you think about the purpose of a company and the people in the company to work, aligning that purpose to the customer outcomes and using technology to bring these outcomes quicker, I think is one of the key areas from a change management point of view. It really is about accelerating and enhancing the human potential, the ability to learn going forward for 2 reasons. It's not only to increase productivity, but also to enhance innovation. And in one of our plants, when we're using augmented reality with our workers and when we're using advanced models, we actually see the attrition level drop to 1/3 of what we see in the marketplace, because we're giving people opportunities to learn new skills, allow us to bring out more complex products faster. And it's going to really also help hyper-customization that's going to be required by our customers. So I really think about it as an integrator for enhancing human potential.